Hi, today we are going to see how to blur background in Photoshop. First open your photo that you want to blur the background. Now convert your photo to a smart object. Click on the photo, click the right button by selecting your layer. Then here you will find convert to smart object option. Click on it, then your photo will be smart object. Now go to filter and go to blur and choose Gaussian blur. Now select how much blur you want. I want this type of blur here. I think it is enough for background. Then after selecting your radius, click on OK. Now click on this white rectangle icon and choose the brush. Make sure that black is showing on the top. Now unblur the subject. You can do it by zooming the subject. You can take your time for unblurring the subject. The more time you will give, the more perfect the image will be. You can change the burst opacity from here also. Here is the opacity option and here is the floor option. So here is the before and here is the after. So this is how you can blur background in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.